And now all of you, we are going to use very useful tool called as Adobe Firefly. So all of you, Adobe Firefly is very useful tool. Anyone can create impressive images, creative images. So I'll be showing you how to create images by using Adobe Firefly. Okay, right. So all of you, please go to this Adobe Firefly. You can search for Adobe Firefly. So this is actually free generative AI for creatives. You can click on yes, India. You can click on create with Firefly. So now you will see image model. So we'll be using image model 4 of Adobe. Describe the image you want to generate. So we can paste the prompt here. So I'll copy the prompt from here. So this is a prompt, a dog whose head is made of bread and cakes. So please paste this block here. Paste this. So this is very useful if you want to create beautifully, images. It is also creating audio, video also. You can select here what you want, image or vector, video. So click on generate, all of you, generate. So you can see there will be 4 images it is creating. So you can see these 4 images, how it has created a dog whose head is made of bread cakes, a realistic painting. So it has created total 4 images. All of you can see these 4 images, right? So like this, you can create images by using Adobe Firefly. Okay. How many of you tried this? How many of you tried Adobe Firefly? Right. Okay. So almost everyone. Done, right? Okay. So you can adjust also, like how you can provide a reference also, like upload image, and from the image actually you can create. Okay, that is also possible. You can provide a reference here to generate. You can do that. Okay, you can actually add that reference here, and you can click on generate, and it will be generating. Now it is differently created. Okay, so you can actually use different styles or settings. Okay, you can try creating. So you can upload your own image, and you can give a prompt, and you can generate things. Okay, that is possible. Okay, done. How many of you are able to create? How many of you tried different things? Please type in the chat box. I request everyone to type in the chat box. Okay, please do it. So now based on this, actually it is creating this background is changed. Now you can see how the background is changed based on the given image. Okay, so according to the given image, in the image actually we have table. Okay, so this is how you can use for example, I'll take this one, and if you generate by taking this road and fields, you can see the difference of creating. So you can customize, you can add some background information. You can see here it's road is actually taken, and based on that it is creating some creative images, right? So this is how you can give something, and from that also you can create prompt plus image. You can add. So how many of you tried doing this? Right, great. Okay, Chandu, nice. Okay. Nice. Sarita madam, excellent. Okay. Okay. So far we have seen some image generators. Okay. That is video generation. We can generate videos. There are different tools. Even you can use video generation here also in this. But I would like to introduce few more tools to you so that you can use later. So this one actually I generated a dog attending a bakery Disney style. You can see how clear picture we got. So the picture is so realistic. Actually, this dog is not existing. Understand? See, all of you, image generators generally create which is not existing from a random noise. Every image created is from a random noise. Understand this? So these are not existing. Okay, they are something which are created a new. Okay, it's a new creation. Understand this? Right. So this was generated by Adobe Firefly. Right. This one also actually create AIoT. So I want to just create some image for artificial intelligence of things. It created this image. Okay, AIoT image. So combining AI plus IoT, it has created this image all of you on its own.